and irrational number. So rational numbers and irrational numbers. That's the first thing that should come to your mind when you hear about solve. Think of rational and irrational number. So in this case, when you talk about rational number are numbers that can be expressed as a simple fraction, a whole and a whole number. So now when you talk about simple fraction are fraction you could easily convert without any digit recurring. Those are simple fractions. So examples of rational number are square root of 100, because square root of 100 is going to give us 10. Now 1/2 is a rational number because 1/2 means 0.5. So when you convert 0.5 to fraction to give you 1/2, that is a simple fraction. Another example is square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So it's a rational number. Now I cannot put whole number. 2 is a whole number, it's a rational number. So any whole number at all is a rational number, 10 is a rational number, and so on. Remember what I said, it is rational number, a number that can be expressed as a simple fraction or a whole number. Alright, let's go back to the example I gave you. Now when you simplify this, which is square root of 100, you're going to get 10. That's a whole number. When you convert this to decimal, you're going to give it 0.5. That's a simple fraction. So square root of 25 is 5, 2 is a whole number, 10 is a whole number, and that's a rational number. And when you talk about irrational number is the opposite of rational. Either you call it irrational or you call it non-rational. Any of them can serve. So in this case, irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a simple fraction or whole number. Now this very number, it is where you see recurring decimals that will give you long digit till infinity. That's what we call irrational number. Example of irrational number are square root of 3. Square root of 3 is going to give you a long digit and it will be recurring. So another irrational number is 5, the value of 5. 5 is 22/7. This will give you a long digit and so on. So any number that will give you that long digit that you can't easily convert to a fraction, a simple fraction, that's what we call irrational number. So that's it. These are what you should have in mind as introduction to solve. And when we're going to solve, we'll be carrying out basic operation in solve. And one operation we'll be carrying out is this operation in solve. And one is simplification of solve. We will simplify basic solves like this very one and this very one. Those are basic solves. So number 2 is addition and subtraction of solves. Then number 3 is multiplication of solves. Then number 4 is division of solves. It is in division that we are going to do a lot of work, and this is where the main challenge lies. So either you call it division or rationalization. Either you call it division or rationalization of solves. So it is in the rationalization that we're going to do a lot of work. Then, and the fifth one can take random examples on solves. Then we're also going to, in this very class, we're also going to cover why questions and jam questions on solve. So that when you see the question in your external exams, you can be able to answer it quickly. Alright, now let's go to the